Hey, hey, yeah, hey, hey, Friday the 13th, guess who's playing Jason? Eyes low, front of 410, gone for broke. Slimy nose, eyes low, getting slimy in the field. He be paying PICASSO's really yes in the field. Yes, I live his life every day, yes, I know it's real. 24/7 on the block, I can't do it for a long time. But you know it's 24/7 when I'm building for myself. And you know I'm running in circles, yeah, really for my health. Yeah, I'm going for broke for a different period of time, you know I'm mine. Everything on my mind is going crazy, so I'm in a different period of time. And you know that I'm slime everywhere that I go. First day I started eating, then I really had to smoke. Yeah, you already know I go for broke, yeah, in the cut. Really working out and walking in circles in the cut. I'm trying to get my mind straight if I'm really on a block. Man, I'm trying to get my mind straight somewhere really in the cut. I be too fucking high, call me Raylo eyes low. Really running them racks up for a show. Different periods of times, yeah, due to weather, how I really fucking flow. I'm a operator, you already know down to the ground. Catch this Glock to your face with an F and then blend today. Not on cam yesterday, but you know it's really on face. And you know it's face to face when we talking straight in the streets. Yeah, the one-on-one be fight. If you tryna verse me, yeah, you going down first. I'ma win, yeah, standing up. I'm be high, you be like, damn, this nigga work with Trump. I be like, I work with Trump. Nigga, yeah, you know I'm a dump. Yeah, you know I'ma get really right. Yeah, spinning that band really all night like I'm biting. Yeah, I'm spinning that band in front of 410 style. Yeah, we really, yeah, go for broke. I be keep my eyes low. Really, yeah, gonna fail. Yeah, you know I go over the plants and you know it's really too real. I be smoking on this thrash. Get too high in the streets. Niggas know I move like 1, 2, C. Yeah, you know how I be. 1, 2, 3 like ABC. Nigga tryna DBC. Nigga try to be like me. Wanna be deep in the streets. Nigga, you can't do everything that I do. I'm really from the 410. I blow that gas in. I'm talking about the thrash though. Niggas wanna perpetrate all that penetrating and all that shit. Niggas they be tweaking and geeking in the field. I be smoking on this thrash and I know that is real. Friday the 13th, guys who really, yeah, playing Jason. Yeah, it's fine, me those guys low. Gone for broke for them Benjamin Franklin, yeah, for my brother get back straight. Like 50, yeah, I'm getting straight. Yeah, he wanna be noticed, so we gotta get him running in a circle. You already know how we really feel. Every time we really lurk, every time we push up on him, yeah, really with his whip. Catch him in his hood on broad day on the strip. Damn. Hey, Friday the 13th, guess who's playing Jason? Eyes low, front of 410, gone for broke. Slimy nose, eyes low, getting slimy in the field. He be paying PICASSO's really yes in the field. Yes, I live his life every day, yes, I know it's real. 24/7 on the block, I can't do it for a long time. But you know it's 24/7 when I'm building for myself. And you know I'm running in circles, yeah, really for my health. Yeah, I'm going for broke for a different period of time, you know I'm mine. Everything on my mind is going crazy, so I'm in a different period of time. And you know that I'm slime everywhere that I go. First day I started eating, then I really had to smoke. Yeah, you already know I go for broke, yeah, in the cut. Really working out and walking in circles in the cut. I'm trying to get my mind straight if I'm really on a block. Man, I'm trying to get my mind straight somewhere really in the cut. I be too fucking high, call me Raylo eyes low. Really running them racks up for the show. Different periods of times, yeah, due to weather, how I really fucking flow. I'm a operator, you already know down to the ground. Catch this Glock to your face with an F and then blend yesterday, not on cam yesterday, but you know it's really on face, and you know it's face to face when we talking straight in the streets. Yeah, the one-on-one we fight. If you tryna verse me, yeah, you going down first. I'ma win, yeah, standing up. I'm be high, you can be like, damn, this nigga work with Trump. I be like, I work with Trump, nigga, yeah, you know I'm a dump, yeah, you know I'ma get really right, yeah, spinning that band really all night like I'm Biden, yeah, I'm spinning that band from the O, 410 style, yeah, we really, yeah, go for broke. I be keeping my eyes low, really, yeah, going to field, yeah, you know I grow up the plants, and you know it's really too real. I be smoking on the tracks, get too high in the streets, niggas know I move like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you know how I be. 1, 2, 3 like ABC. Nigga tryna DPC. Nigga try to be like me. Wanna be deep in the streets. Nigga, you can't do everything that I do. I'm really from the O. 410, I blow that gas shit. I'm talking about the thrax though. Niggas wanna perpetrate all that penetrating and all that shit. Niggas they be tweaking and geeking in the field. I be smoking on this track, and I know that is real. Friday the 13th guys who really, yeah, playing Jason, yeah, Slimeynosiyizlo, going for broke for them Benjamin Franklin, yeah, for my brother get back straight, like 50, yeah, I'm getting straight, yeah, he wanna be noticed, so we gotta get him running in circles, you already know how we really see him, every time we really lurk, every time we push up on him, yeah, really with his whip, catch him in his hood, on broad day on the strip, damn.